Then character building. So character building is very important thing in the world of ethics and values, because if the character is lost, then everything is lost. Nobody can this repair the character assassination, because it takes a very long time to rebuild the character once the character is lost. So you must have seen the many in the media and TVs and all that. So there is a tremendous character assassination among the politicians. So this just they tarnish their images and before the public and all that. So this the practice is not good. So first of all, everybody must be have a good character, and that character must be beyond doubt. So adoption of ethical practice results in a sound character. This is always true. Honesty is the best policy. Okay. Then enhancement in education and the skill development process leads to the building a good character. Building a character in the workplace. So these are the following ways that we can build the character at the workplace. So employee hiring, training and promotion activities, internal communication, external communication, financial and human resources, and the community outreach. So let us see one by one. Employee hiring, training and promotion activities. The institute and adopt an organization policy statement to positive character in the workplace. For example, the commitment to the civility pledges. There may be communicated through the printing on the back of the business cards of the employees. Now the internal communication channels to create the friendly environment that plays the positive role modeling at workplace and the community by encouraging volunteerism and mentoring through 1. Internal newsletters, 2. Workplace poster in canteens and the recreation rooms, number 3. Mailers, and number 4. Electronic mails. Then the external communication may be in the form of advertisement, maybe in the form of products and service, and the character building. It includes the positive messages without volunteerism and celebrate. And lastly, it is the character counts weak in advertising, billing and other mailers. Then the financial and human resources support the logical national character projects and activities of the members by encouraging the staff members to get involved. Offer incentives such as paying employees for the time they contribute at local youth service organization. And lastly, it is a community outreach. The use of public outreach structures to encourage the mentoring and other character building programs. Encourage educational and youth organization to become active in character building. Use corporate influence to encourage business groups, that is Chamber of Commerce, conference boards, Rotary clubs and other companies to support the character building. Now the spirituality is a way of living that emphasizes the constant awareness and the recognition of spiritual dimensions, that is the mind and its development. The nature and people with dynamic balance between the material development and the spiritual development. This is said to be a great virtue of Indian philosophy for Indians. Sometimes spirituality includes the faith or belief in supernatural power, God, regarding the worldly events. It is a function as a fertilizer for soil character to blossom into the values and the morals. Now the spirituality in the workplace. So verbally respect individuals as a humans and recognize their values in all decisions and actions. Number 2, get to know the people with whom you work and know what is important to them, know their goals, desire and dreams. State your personal ethics and your beliefs clearly. Fourth one is support causes outside the business. Encourage the leaders to use value-based discretion and making decisions. Demonstrate your own self-knowledge and spirituality in all actions. Do unto others as you would have them do unto you. Now spirituality for corporate excellence. Self-awareness, realization of self-potential. A human has immense capability, but it is need to be developed. Then the alertness in observation and quickness in decision making, that is spontaneity, which includes the quick reflexes, no delays, but also no hasty decisions. Then being visionary and value based, this includes an attitude toward the future of the organization and the society with clear objectives. Holism, whole system or comprehensive views and interconnected with different aspects, holistic thinking, which means the welfare of the self, family, organization and the society, includes all other living beings and environment. Compassion, sympathy, empathy and concern for others. These are not only for building the team but also for its effective functioning. Respect for diversity, it means search for unity in diversity, respect others and their views. Moral autonomy, it means action based on the rational and moral judgment. One need not follow the crowd or majority, that is bandwagon effect. Creative thinking and constant reasoning, think if we can do something new and if we can improve further. Ability to analyze and synthesize, refrain from doing something only traditional. Positive views of adversity, make adversities one source of power, that is typical karma yogi outlook. Every threat is converted into opportunity. Humility, the attitude to accept the criticism, it requires courage and willing to correct. It includes modesty and acknowledging the work of the colleagues. Sense of vocation, treat the duty as your service to the society besides your organization. Thank you very much. Today we will stop here.